You'd think checking a bag is the easy part of flying, right? Drop it off, grab your boarding pass, and you're good to go. But here's what airlines don't tell you. Once your suitcase disappears behind that rubber curtain, it enters a world you never see. A maze of conveyor belts, cargo holds, pressure shifts, and dozens of strangers handling your belongings before they get back to you. If they get back to you. And in 2025, things move faster, rules change quicker, and one small mistake can send your bag to the wrong city or leave your clothes scattered across a cargo floor that smells like jet fuel. Yes, that actually happens. So if you think baggage mishaps are just bad luck, think again. We're exposing what baggage handlers wish you knew and what actually works behind the scenes. Because while everyone talks about carry-on tips, nobody reveals what happens after your bag leaves your hands. Today, we will. These insider secrets could turn your next flight from stressful to spectacular. Let's dive in. 12. Never check soft bags with dangling parts. Most travelers grab whatever suitcase is in their closet, but that soft duffel bag with pockets and dangling straps is a disaster waiting to happen on airport conveyor belts. Here's what airlines don't tell you. Checked luggage gets slammed, shoved, and squeezed through machines that don't care what's hanging off your suitcase. Straps catch on conveyor mechanisms. Zippers jam in tight spaces. When that happens, your bag gets pulled for manual inspection or left behind entirely. Baggage handlers spot trouble bags from 50 feet away. Anything with loose parts spells problems. Hard shell luggage avoids the drama. No loose parts, no outer pouches to snag, just a smooth case that slides through and protects what's inside when it hits the ground hard. Pro tip: choose bags without external pockets or loose straps. Your suitcase should glide through the system without getting caught. But here's where it gets even more interesting. 11. Remove all old airline tags and stickers. Every suitcase tells a story, but the only one TSA cares about is today's flight. Yet most travelers make this critical mistake. They leave old airline tags and baggage stickers on their suitcase like travel trophies. Airlines keep this problem quiet, but those faded stickers from last summer's Vegas trip can literally send your bag to the wrong destination. If you leave old tags on your bag, the scanner picks up the wrong barcode, and it happens more often than you'd think. That's how bags end up in Dallas when you're headed to Denver. One travel blogger's bag took a detour to Miami because a 6-month-old cruise sticker confused the scanning system. The airline called it rare, but baggage handlers say it happens weekly at major airports. Pro tip: strip everything old off your suitcase before leaving home. Every barcode, tag, and sticker. Your bag should communicate one thing: this flight, this destination. Think that's helpful? Just wait until you hear this next insider secret. 10. Mark your bag smart, not with ribbons. After a long flight, the last thing you want is playing Guess That Bag at baggage claim when your black rectangle looks identical to every other one spinning on the belt. Most travelers tie colorful ribbons to their handles thinking they're being clever. Here's what baggage handlers wish you knew. Those ribbons are disasters in motion. The loose ends get caught in conveyor systems, and suddenly your bag is pulled for manual handling. Best case? It's delayed. Worst case? It never makes it out. Airlines rarely mention this because they don't want complaints, but handlers see ribbon casualties daily. Instead, use something flat and bold that hugs your suitcase. A strip of neon duct tape across the side works perfectly. A brightly colored luggage strap that wraps around the case is even better. Pro tip: use electrical tape to make a giant X on both sides. Instantly recognizable with zero snag risk. What if I told you there is an even smarter way to protect your belongings? 9. Only use TSA-approved locks. Or risk destruction. Most travelers use any lock to feel secure, but if it's the wrong kind, it won't stop theft. It just guarantees your lock gets destroyed. TSA randomly checks about 5% of all checked bags, and if your suitcase is locked with a non-approved lock, they're getting in one way or another. Airlines never explain this at check-in, but here's what happens. If your lock isn't TSA approved, agents will cut it off without warning, refund, or replacement. You'll arrive at your destination with a busted zipper and a loose suitcase that looks like it got mugged. TSA-approved locks have a universal keyhole that allows agents to unlock and relock your bag without damage. You still get security protection, but without the risk of arriving with destroyed hardware. It won't stop professional thieves, but it protects you from unnecessary damage and saves you from buying a new lock every time you fly. Pro tip: look for the red diamond TSA logo on any lock you buy. It's your guarantee that security can access your bag without destruction. But here's where travelers make an even bigger mistake. 8. Take photos of your packed items before zipping. Nobody plans to lose their luggage, but when it happens, the airline's first question is always, can you describe exactly what was inside? That's where most people completely freeze up. Was the blue shirt in that bag or the other one? How many chargers did you pack? Airlines count on your fuzzy memory to minimize payouts, and most travelers hand them exactly what they want. Vague, uncertain claims that are easy to dispute. Snapping a quick photo before zipping your bag shut is one of the smartest moves you can make. Lay everything out, take a clear shot, and you're done. If your bag goes missing, that photo becomes your best evidence for airlines, insurance companies, and your own memory. Pro tip: insurance companies love photo evidence because it removes guesswork and speeds up claims. One traveler's refund went through in days with photos. No arguments, no delays. If you've learned even one new thing so far, hit that like button. It helps other smart travelers discover these hidden secrets. And if you want more airline insider knowledge and senior travel hacks, make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. But here's a mistake that could cost you thousands. 7. Never pack valuables in checked luggage. This seems obvious, but you'd be shocked how many travelers ignore this rule. Do not put cash, jewelry, electronics, or important documents in your checked bag, no matter how secure your suitcase feels. Airlines keep these statistics quiet. More than 2 million checked bags were delayed, lost, or mishandled at major U.S. airports last year alone. And here's the kicker: valuables inside are rarely covered in full by airline compensation. Most airlines have strict reimbursement limits. Some won't cover cash at all. Others cap payments far below what your electronics are worth. It's not always about theft either. Bags get rerouted, sit in storage rooms overnight, or have locks broken during inspection. Pro tip: if it matters to you, keep it in your carry-on within reach. Once your suitcase disappears behind that rubber curtain, you won't see it until baggage claim, if you're lucky. What if I told you there's something even more destructive waiting in your suitcase? 6. Double bag all liquids to prevent disasters. Picture this: that fancy sunscreen, glass cologne bottle, and thick body lotion all exploded across your clothes, soaked into your shoes, and seeped through every zipper pouch like a chemical disaster. Cabin pressure changes during flight. Bags get flipped and thrown around. Lids pop off even when you think they're secure. Even one leaky bottle can ruin everything else you packed, leaving you with clothes that smell like a spill. Baggage handlers see liquid explosions daily, especially with toiletries that weren't properly sealed. The cargo hold isn't pressurized like the cabin, and temperature changes cause containers to expand and burst. Pro tip: seal every liquid in zip-top bags, use leak-proof travel bottles, and double-bag high-risk items. Stick liquids in your suitcase center, cushioned by clothes, away from electronics. But there's an even bigger trap most travelers fall into. 5. Check TSA's banned items list before you pack. You might think the TSA only cares about your carry-on, but checked luggage has its own banned items that can get your bag delayed, flagged, or confiscated entirely. Airlines rarely warn you about this at check-in. Items like camping fuel, lithium batteries over certain sizes, or souvenir knives can trigger full bag inspection and a big red "Do Not Load" tag. Here's what most people miss. TSA doesn't explain these rules at the airport. You're expected to know before you pack. Airlines stay quiet because they don't want to slow check-in lines, but one banned item can leave your entire bag behind while you fly empty-handed. Pro tip: go to tsa.gov and search "What can I bring?" It's the TSA's exact tool. Type anything questionable for instant answers on carry-on, checked or prohibited. Flying internationally? Double-check that country's customs rules too. Here's where smart travelers gain a huge advantage. 4. Always pack one change of clothes in carry-on. You check your bag, board the plane, land at your destination, and your suitcase doesn't show up. It happens more than airlines publicly admit. Sometimes bags are delayed. Other times they're off adventuring to different continents. Airlines don't want you to know how common this is because it affects customer satisfaction scores. But handlers and gate agents see it daily. Passengers are stuck in the same clothes for 24 plus hours because they put everything in checked luggage. Always pack one complete change of clothes in your carry-on. Shirt, underwear, socks, maybe pajamas. Traveling with kids? Split their essentials between multiple bags so if one goes missing, you're not completely stuck. Pro tip: one experienced mom shared that when her son's bag disappeared, they were fine because she and her husband had each packed a full outfit for him in their own bags. Disaster became a minor inconvenience. But here's a timing secret that could save your luggage entirely. 3. Don't check your bag too early. Everyone says get to the airport early, and they're right. But when checking your bag, earlier isn't always better, and airlines never mention why. Here's the insider secret. The sooner your bag goes behind the counter, the longer it sits unsupervised in the baggage system. More time means more opportunities to get misplaced, mishandled, or opened by curious handlers. Baggage workers share this online. First bags checked are usually loaded first, but they're also first to be pulled off if weight needs adjusting. Meanwhile, bags checked closer to departure stay in the flow and get handled less overall. Pro tip: if you have time, wait until about 45 minutes before boarding to check your bag. It shortens the time your luggage is out of sight and reduces wandering off chances. What if I told you there's a way to track your bag better than the airline can? 2. Use GPS tracking to outsmart the airlines. Once your suitcase disappears behind check-in, most travelers are flying blind. Airlines tell you to check back in a few hours if your bag doesn't show up. But smart travelers take control with technology. Most major airlines offer bag tracking through their apps. Delta, United, and American show when luggage is scanned and loaded. But here's what they don't advertise. Their tracking isn't always accurate, and sometimes they simply don't know where your bag is. That's where personal GPS tracking becomes a game changer. Slip an Apple AirTag or Samsung Smart Tag into your suitcase, and you'll know exactly where your bag is even when the airline is clueless. Pro tip: one traveler shared that when her bag didn't arrive, the airline claimed no idea where it was. Her phone showed it sitting in the departure airport. She showed them the GPS location and they found it within minutes. But here's the final secret baggage handlers desperately want you to know. 1. What baggage handlers really want you to know. These aren't tips from a travel blog. These come straight from people who handle your luggage before sunrise in the rain with no time to baby your expensive suitcase. If you want your bag to survive, listen to what they wish every traveler understood. Get a 4-wheeled bag, period. If it rolls smoothly, they'll roll it gently. If it doesn't roll well, it gets tossed. Not from spite, but necessity when loading hundreds of bags in minutes. Choose good fabric over cheap plastic. Quality bags like TUMI with canvas exteriors hold up to rough handling. Most cheap hardshell cases crack after a few trips. Stop shrink-wrapping your bags. Handlers hate this because plastic locks the wheels, making your suitcase impossible to roll. Instead of gliding gently, they must drag or toss it. Pro tip: never bulge the front zipper pocket. It catches on conveyor belts. And never put keys or medications in checked bags. If your suitcase gets lost, you're stuck. Which of these secrets surprised you the most? Have you already experienced a baggage disaster that could have been prevented with these tips? Drop a comment and share your story. Other travelers learn from real experiences. And don't miss our video about 10 packing mistakes that make TSA hate you. You'll discover how to avoid these travel packing mistakes to breeze through TSA checks and travel like a pro. Like this video if it helped you protect your luggage, subscribe for more insider airline secrets, and as always, safe travels.